Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Andrew Pinckney Inn. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, family rooms, parking on site, fitness center and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Andrew Pinckney Inn, built in 1840, this restored boutique hotel is 0.6 miles from the College of Charleston and features a complimentary breakfast on the rooftop terrace and free Wi-Fi. Rooms include a 32-inch flat-screen TV and 2,450 feet from Waterfront Park. Gilchrist and Soames toiletries, an iHome docking station, and small seating area are standard in every guest room at this Charleston Andrew Pinckney Inn. Bathrooms have Italian Travertine porcelain tiles and granite countertops. Suites have a sofa bed. The reception is open 24 hours, and the concierge desk can help Andrew Pinckney Inn guests schedule horse-drawn carriage tours and museum visits. Valet parking is provided for a daily fee. Charleston City Market is 1,000 feet from Andrew Pinckney Inn, while Waterfront Park and Washington Square are 9 minutes walk away. The King Street Shopping District is 1,650 feet away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.